Now let's try the banded row. In the seated version, sit near a stable anchor like a table or a door handle. We're going to loop the resistance band around the table leg or the door handle. Keeping your back straight, gently pull the band toward your torso, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then slowly release. You can also do this standing. Stand with one foot slightly forward for stability. Secure the band to an anchor at chest height and pull it towards your body. Notice the difference in engagement, seated for support or standing to work a bit harder.